Science time, we learn about Jesus. Science time, we learn about Jesus.
Hi boys and girls, welcome back to another fun edition of Science Time. Now, this week you'll realize I have two assistants. I have Kyra and I have Jedediah. And they are going to help us today with our science experiment. So, remember in our promo, I told you guys we needed 3 glasses, a mug of water, and we also need 3 eggs and salt. So, while I open this egg carton, right, there we go. I'm going to fill this glass with some water. Alright, so there we go. 1 glass is filled with water. We're going to fill the other glass with water, and this glass we're going to fill halfway. There you go. Right. So, you realize that I don't have a spoon in this glass. So what we're going to do with our first egg is we're going to take our egg and very carefully put it into the water, and you realize that that egg sank to the bottom. Now, in these other 2 glasses, we're going to put our salt. So I'm going to put like 1 spoon, 2 spoons, 3 spoons of salt. Maybe I'll put 1 more. Yeah, 1 more spoon. And I'll ask Jedediah just to mix that up for me. And I'll put more salt. Again, same 4 spoons here. And I'll ask Kyra to mix that one. So while they're mixing it, now what we're doing in this experiment is basically understanding water density. What does that mean? Well, when water becomes more dense, when we add salt to it, the water becomes more dense, and what happens is something amazing, and we're going to see that right now. Are you finished, Jedediah? Alright, so Jedediah just about finished. I'm going to help him finish stirring, and we're going to move that spoon. There we go. And Kyra is still stirring. We're going to take our egg and we're going to place it into the water with salt and watch what happens. The egg floats. So, when there's no density, the egg sinks. But because we added the salt and the water has now become dense, the egg, what happens to the egg?
It floats.
It floats, that's right. So there we go. Alright, so here we have this glass half full, and we're going to put the egg inside of it, and as you see, that egg floats. Now, watch what happens when we pour this water slowly over it. Do you see what happens? That egg is now suspended between the dense water and the water that is now less dense. Now you can try this experiment with 2 other glasses, and you'll see the egg suspended halfway in between the glass or in the middle of the glass, and you can try it at home. So plain water, water dense at the bottom, less dense at the top, and you'll see how the floating egg works. Remember, check out our YouTube channel, go down there and you can comment, you can like it, and try this experiment. Let me know what you thought about it. What did you guys think about it, Jedediah?
It was awesome.
It was awesome?
It was fun.
It was fun, it was awesome. So I'm looking forward to see you guys next week when we do something even a little more creative now. Next week is going to be exciting. So if you think this was exciting, look forward to next week when we see you guys next time on Science Time. But before we go, remember, I always tell you guys, science does not tell us that God does not exist, but science tells us how awesome God really is. See you next time.
Science time, we learn about Jesus. Science time, we learn about Jesus.